my channel. If you're new, my name is Apoorva and I love making DIY, fashion and lifestyle videos every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification so that you don't miss out on any new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a fabric belt. This can be worn on saris, lehengas and even on some of the western outfits, and it's really easy to make. So let's begin.
Materials needed for this project are border, any fabric to line the border. I'm using a silk fabric that was remaining from a blouse, scissor, buckram or thick fusing that is mostly used on collar or the skirt belt. This is used to make the belt thick. It is easily available in most of the stores where you can buy fabrics. And then you would need hook and eye, needle and thread, using few big golden beads and smaller golden beads. Take the border and wear it around your waist and leave 2 extra inch margin for the stitching and to attach hook and cut it. Place the border on the fusing and pin it. And then cut the fusing exactly how much ever the border is. Remove the pins. Take the cutout fusing and place it on the fabric. Make sure the glossy side of the fusing is towards the fabric, that is the wrong side of the fabric, because that's gonna stick to your fabric once you iron it. Keep around 1 inch fabric on both the side of the fusing. Now iron the fusing. Fold the fabric and iron it. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Place the right side of the border towards the right side of the fabric and stitch it. Once the stitching is done, reverse it. And now you're gonna stitch all the way around on both the sides of the border. Make sure you leave half an inch at the edge of the border because you will be folding this and stitching it. On the wrong side of the belt, place the hook and stitch it. On the opposite side, place the eye on the right side and stitch it. You can place extra eye and stitch it. This will be easy for you to adjust it. Now the belt is almost ready. We have to just add few beads to make it look more pretty. I'll be adding the beads at every 1 inch, so I've marked it using the chalk. Insert the needle from the below part of the belt. Add small bead and then a big bead and then again a small bead. Leave the first bead and insert the needle on the second and the third bead. Now pierce the needle to the back side and tie a knot. Make sure the knot is not too tight. If you make the knot tight, the beads will not hang, it will become too stiff. Add the beads at every 1 inch that you have marked and your belt will be ready.
Hope you liked the video, and if you try to make the fabric belt, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram account down in the description so you can tag me. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.